Good day, everybody. Well, this is going to be part one of a series that may, kind of go on and on. And this is the part where we convert the stock Harley to, well, what do you say, not so stock Harley. So, as you're looking at it, it is stock. I did add the highway pegs. That obviously will not be in a video. I didn't video when I put those on, but I will show you. That was actually part one, and you can see those. And today we are going to we're going to get rid of that right there. We're going to get rid of. So, I'll give everybody a few seconds to guess what it's going to look like when that is gone. And here we go. So I'm not gonna cut, but I am going to put my tripod down and try to do it this way. Maybe we will see. See how tall that is. Put you right there. And here we go. I'm going to take the windshield off. I'm going to clean underneath it. Makes it a little bit easier. Oh. Dropsies. I'll hold it. So we got 4 screws and a couple clips here in front, and this baby should be out of here. Look at that. A little bit of F1 or F11. Clean up just a little bit. The only reason I'm doing this because I know I tried to get all up in there with that other windshield on. And it's kind of hard to get all up in there. Get your hand down inside it. So, there's no time like right now to give it a little clean before I put the new windshield on. Alright, you guys are ready to see what it's going to be? Any guesses? I'm actually taking it out of the box and taking the cellophane off of it. She knows what.
That's pretty.
There she goes.
I see. Beautiful.
So what do you think? A little bit of orange to go with the blood orange. I think the front end looks a heck of a lot better now. I just gotta get the screw started.
Need a smaller hand?
It almost has a little bit of bling to it.
It does.
Get this one in there just right. Well, there you go. Look pretty. 10-minute video.